Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do relaxing stretching exercises on the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, enter your password. And after that, you should click on the self-care option down below, which is the fourth option. Tap on Discover and scroll down till you find this relaxing stretching section. And here you can see that you have various stretching sessions such as neck pain relief, lower back stretch, morning warm-up, or sleepy time stretching. So tap on the relevant one that interests you. Here if you scroll down you can see all of the exercises that particular workout contains. If you are interested in any of these, tap on the relevant exercise and get to know to it. Read the instructions how to do it. You can also watch a video by tapping on the camera icon. And if you want to start the workout itself, tap on the start button. And as it is a premium back restrained session, you should tap on the first one, which is available to all users. If you want to turn off music and the voice guide, tap on this button at the top, and here you can turn it off. If you are ready to go, you will be able to hear these countdowns, and you can do this. There is the counter in the middle of the screen. If you want to stop it, tap on this button.
Look up at the ceiling.
Here are the
instructions.
Inhale to
look up at the ceiling. Please.
You can hear the instructions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.